Hi guys, Reynaldo here from Enlightened Super Trader Education. Just a quick one in regards to the market update. Currently looking at the Dow Jones Industrials or the top 30 stocks. So last week, basically part of the market update, when it created a new higher high, the closing price just closed where the good supply levels were, or around this level around here. 12,483, and I mentioned that there's a probability that it may retrace pretty shortly. It all depends if there's a confirmation it will come back down, but it didn't want to, and hence still as part of the target point, which was at the 12,750, which is the high of this. Basically hit it yesterday. However, it stabilized itself after 1, 2, 3, 4 days of the market being to the upside. Now, with the current good level of supply, and by the way, it created a new high as of today, broke through last July's high, and actually in the first weeks of July and the last week of July, where it created the last previous highs. So currently, from what we're seeing, the odds and probability as a form of retracement to get back down around at least the 12,483, close to about 300 pips, is more than likely to happen. And if so, then 12,414. So there is a range between 414 and 483, approximately about 70 points to the downside. Now the risk is very small, being the level of supply, odds and probability that the Dow is gonna drop is more than likely to happen. And pretty much we're gonna also have a look now what happened with our trade from last week, which was the pound against the yen. So after a nice bounce to a good level of demand at 117.50, 118, currently now is at 120, so beautiful 250 pip pretty much profit to the upside. And if you also look in terms of our friends of the trends, and I also did a brief video last week of the secrets of trends, and notice around here pretty much the secondary downtrend got broken, so the odds and probability that it may continue to go further, finding out the next level of supply. Well, currently we're in the supply area at the moment, but once the supply gets broken, then hence at the same time the trend's currently broken as well, to go through these levels 122 to another 200 pips to the upside is more than likely to happen. Obviously, at the same time, since there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row to the upside, once the stabilization will be put in place, we're going to see some form of correction to create a higher low before a new higher high will occur once again. And by the way, I forgot to mention that with the Dow Jones Industrials, right? If you were at last week's or last meeting, not January but December's meeting, and we have a supply around this level, and we have an inverse head and shoulders at the target point that's going to reach around this level is more than likely to happen, which it actually did. And once the rebound happened, especially around here, breakout of the neckline, target pretty much been reached. So therefore, retracement is gonna bound to happen. If it will break through beyond that, then it's gonna go further than that, and stay tuned. We're gonna find out where the next target points are going to be. Alright, this is it for me. Pound yen still pretty much going to the upside. There's still some more room in my own opinion, and with the Dow we're going to see some forward. There's a stabilization currently happening right at this moment, so the odds and probability to do a retracement to now create a higher low is more than likely to happen. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this quick market update review. Take care till next time. Happy trading, and if you are interested with our courses and workshops, please visit our website at www.estetrader.com or give us a call at +1 650 320 1714 for a free assessment. Take care until next time. Have a good one.